Okay, girls, are you ready? Okay, here, you want to back up a little bit?
Mom?
Now this is a dance to a song from Aoife's piano book, and the girls made up this dance themselves.
Mom?
You ready?
Mom? How
Orchestra.
we'll never do it again.
Let us begin.
1, 2, 3, 4. Ready, set, go. Our queen, treble clef, had a fine swirly dress, and she sang high notes on the keys.
Bass clef and buttons and he sang low notes on the keys.
Queen treble got in trouble when she went and she played on the keys that were really rather low. But she jumped back, never to go again where the bass clef notes go.
Too much.
Ha